Hi, welcome back to Tech Tricks. So today you are going to learn how to create this kind of amazing 3D arc scene model. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So I have got some files. If you need these files, please click on that link in the description and request me what are the files you need. So let's go back to the session. So I'm going to start new document, right? So you can add data from here like ArcGIS, and this is the files that I have used. So in this case I will use building. mm, okay, so here I have insert all the layers that I need. So first of all, I'm going to make a thin layer which is like 3D terrain layer using this mass PT. First of all, we will see what are the data that we have in this layer. Here, shape mass PTID is 4. So this is where we have elevation values. I'm going to search create team. Already searching. So go to that and insert this mass PT, and here default location and OK. So we have created the elevation team. So I will tick off this. I'll get this building layer as the topmost layer and just go properties and extrusion. So I'm going to tick on this and I'm going to like raise the height using this height field. So it's just as you see here. If I close this, first of all, you can see there are different columns here, right? So in this height field, it is containing the building height. So I'm going to uh, make the building 3D by using that height. So I tick on this and go to the calculator. I'm going to use height multiply 40. So here you can use any number, so it will multiply height. It because if you want more realistic, you can reduce the number, or you just can play with these numbers. Okay, okay, apply. So see, right? It's just like it's real ground situation. So now I'm going to change the colors based on their height. So go to the symbology. mm, Height. Here I can use a like it's good, right? Apply. So see, I have colorized them based on their height. So next we want to do based on see here, this is the terrain. So I'm going to take these all layers into the terrain. So what I need to do is one by one go to properties, base height, floating custom surface, and here it should be the created theme, right? Created theme. Then that's only okay. It's done. See, buildings on this theme or terrain. So next, trees, properties, 14, just apply. So it will be here. See these points. Then wells, properties, Okay, we don't need this rods. Okay, utilities. Okay, DTMS, we don't need this. Oh, so here I have Google Earth image, which is geo referenced, right? So I will put a link on the description how to create this kind of uh, geo referenced image. So see, this is like, you can see here, see how the elevation, how the tin was overlaid with this. So finally I can tick off this create tin. See, now this is exactly as the same in the graph, right? So I'm going to give some I'm going to give symbols for trees, then this will be more realistic. So I'm going to properties, go to symbology, and I'm going to change the symbol. So palm tree, California palm tree. Okay, I will apply this. See, it is like I can't even see this size. Here also I can tree height multiplied by 10 maybe. What do you think? I will multiply this 30. Is it good? I think it is good, right? If you want to increase the height, you can increase the height also. So now we have left wells, right? So wells, it's like I need to show the depth of the field, right? So what I'm going to do is go to properties, and I'm going to tick on this, and I'm going to give here, go here, and I put minus value. So tin depth, and I want to give 40 as the building height also, right? See, get underneath, but based on their depth, you can see, right? So next, I'm going to give colors also. Symbology is tinted. What color? So blue is good, right? Because they containing water, right? So the here you have the 3D model. It was very easy and going to it was very easy and very smart video. So next, if you want to make videos or animation video just like I made, you have to go with this animation tool. So I will give a small introduction. Here you can have the animation toolbar. If you don't have this, go to customers, toolbars, here toolbars, animation. So I have the animation toolbar. Next, I will show you how to navigate this. This is the navigate bar. You can click in on this, uh, move this around, and using pan tool you can just move the model, and using scroll, the mouse scroll, you can zoom in, zoom out. So see, using this fly option, see, if you click once, it will go slowly, right? When you click it more, it will speed the, you can see. So again, if you right click with this, it will move back, fly back. When you click more and more, it will get speed, right? If you want to stop this, you can just press the escape button of the keyboard. Likewise, so now I click once, twice, this speed is better. See, I can fly through the model. See, you can change the direction by using mouse pointer. Wow, it's just amazing. I'm like a bird, right? Oops, right. So you can just right click on this here and zoom to layer. Now you have the layer. So finally, how to record this animation? Here with this tool, can you see animation controls? And here press the record. Right, when you record it, start record and just do whatever you want, it will record. So here please get small video clip by small video clip, because when when it's become more heavy, it won't load in your computer. So 1 or 2 minute video will be better, then you can start again a new video. So right, stop and animation, export animation. See, here I have made 6 different videos. You can export it, naming him here. So finally, I want to say this: please subscribe my channel, and you can get these files using the link description and put a message on there. Then again, I have to say this: share this video with your friends and subscribe this. We will meet again with amazing video like this. Bye bye.